So occasionally I get people wonder how come I'm not replacing these old units. Well, these units were so reliable. These units are like 30 years old and they're still outlasting even other units I've replaced them with newer. But what's coming is the weak point on these, something to check for on your preventative maintenance. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Before it goes down. Here's the unit with the baffle. Another word for it is the fan shroud, which may actually be the more proper term for it. Newer units, these are engineered into the top of the fan lid, which is a little bit better. This is a weak point with these older units, but it's something that you can keep up on preventative maintenance and keep a unit from going down. Just keeping the ears open. If you hear something like this hitting, like I did on this day, I can fix it right away to prevent a no-key fall. One last problem. Here's that fan baffle all fixed up. No more hitting, no more rattling. Just not going to get a no-key fall. Nice and quiet. Good deal. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.